My name is Zafran. I am from Maximus Nambangan, English level A1.2. Yes, I do. Here are the tools. One plate, two plastic knife, three sieve, four tongs, five spatula, fry pan. Here are ingredients: one, a block of tempeh, two, two, two dry seasoning, and liquid seasoning, cooking oil. Cut a block, cut a block of tempeh. Hmm. Smear, smear, smear dry seasoning of the tempeh. Dry seasoning, dry seasoning. And liquid seasoning. Into smear it dry seasoning, dry seasoning, dry seasoning. So turn off the stove. Heat the cooking oil. And cook of tempeh. Until brownish. Lift up the spatula and tongs. Spatula and tongs. Can you then clean which of them see tempeh? Brush place into a plate.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Lafran.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Can you mention the name of the days?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, It's Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
What day is today?
So Sunday.
If today is Tuesday, what day is tomorrow?
Monday.
If today is Saturday, what day is the day after tomorrow?
Tuesday.
What's your ambition in the future?
My ambition in the future is to a doctor.
What job you want to be? Why?
I don't wanna be my dog at dogs.
Do you know about Mr. Ki Hajar Dewantara? Who is he?
Mr. Ki Hajar Dewantara is Indonesia National Revolution activist.
Can you say Pancasila in English?
Pancasila, one belief in the one supreme God, two just and civil and humanity, three, the unity of Indonesia, four, democracy led by the wisdom of the revolution, a more representative, five, social justice for the whole of the people of Indonesia.
What's the symbol of the first principle of Pancasila?
One golden star.
What's the symbol of the second principle of Pancasila?
Chain.
What's the symbol of the third principle of Pancasila?
Banyan tree.
What's the symbol of the fourth principle of Pancasila?
Bull's head.
What's the symbol of the fifth principle of Pancasila?
Rice and cotton.
Please speak about the Youth Pledge.
The Youth Lewan are son and daughters of Indonesia declared a plus homeland of Indonesia to be our son and daughters of Indonesia declared to be one the people of Indonesia. Three we are son and daughters of Indonesia. Respect the language of unity Indonesia language.
Marco's Saturday morning. In the village, Marco and his family live happily. Every Saturday, Marco wakes up at 7:30 a.m. But today he stayed in bed until 8:15 a.m. because he was tired. He doesn't go to work, but he is very busy. First, he makes a baked breakfast with eggs, toast, and orange juice. He eats in the garden because he likes the fresh air. At 9 a.m., Marco goes to the park. He doesn't run, he walks with his dog, Bruno. Bruno is a big brown dog. After the walk, they stop at a small cafe. Marco drinks a black coffee because he don't like matcha, and the waiter gives Bruno a bowl of water. They stay there for 20 minutes. Finally, they walk home to meet Marco's sister, Clara, for lunch.
Listening test questions.
Number 1. What time does Marco wake up on Saturdays? A. 7:30 a.m. B. 9:35 a.m. C. 8:15 a.m. D. 7:30 p.m.
A 7:03 p.m.
Number 2. What does Marco eat for breakfast? A. Sandwich. B. Bread and water. C. Egg, toast, orange juice. D. Cake and chips.
Shade bush and orange juice.
Number 3. What is the name of Marco's dog? A. Elisa. B. Orphan. C. Halens. D. Bruno.
D. Bruno.
Number 4. What does Marco drink at the cafe? A. Black coffee. B. A latte. C. Matcha. D. Milk.
A. Black coffee.
Number 5. Who is coming to Marco's house for lunch? A. His sister, Clara. B. His mother. C. His friend, Tommy. D. His auntie.
A. His sister Clara. Dua. Tiga. Lima. Tiga. Empat. Empat. Tiga. 17. 18. 19. 19. 18.